So hello everyone. So our today's question is reverse linked list. So we are given the head of the single linked list and we have to reverse it. So our code will be divided into three sections. I'll write the code, make you understand and go it by line. So first will be our edge case. If head is equals to null or if head dot next is equals to null, then we'll return the head itself. Okay. So if head is equals to null or head dot next is equals to null, then return the head itself. Okay, now return the head. Now what will we do next will be to make the chain reverse wise. This linked list is going 1 to 2 to 3. We have to go to 3 to 1, 2 to 1. Okay, likewise this. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll create three pointers will be are like this: list node, and in that list node, what we'll do, we'll first make current. Okay, and we'll assign current to head because it will help in iteration. Second will be our previous, because previous is very important, so that we can go backwards. We can assign it to backwards, so it will be null. Okay, and third will be our temporary. We have to store temporary values or to save the temporary address. Okay, temp. So I'll explain the use of this pointer later. Now we'll initialize our while loop. While we are doing while loop, because we have to check it till where this loops end. Okay, so current is not, if current is not equals to null, then only we will do it. Okay, so if current is not equals to null, now listen carefully. First will be, we'll save the address of our next node, current next, in the temporary. Okay, so see, temp is equals, where it is going, temp is equals to current dot next. So I'll explain it. So here what we are doing, we are saving the next address. Suppose current is pointing towards 1, so current and next is pointing to second. So for better understanding, I have made you like this. So in while loop, what will we do? We'll first save the address of the next pointer. So we'll save the address of next pointer means we'll save the address of 2, that is 104, 1004. So save the address of the next pointer. Okay. So we have saved the current, temp is equals to current dot next. It means we have saved the address 1000. Okay. Okay. Okay, now second will be make chain by pointing current pointer to previous list node pointer. So now we are making chain. So what we'll do, we'll point 1 to null. Okay, so you can see here, you can see it's pointing downwards here only. So one will be pointing to null. So we'll what we'll do, we'll point current dot next to null. Okay, here for easy understanding, let's suppose initially it's null. Okay. Okay, now next will be, what will be next? Next will be assign previous current address. Okay, so what will we do, we'll assign previous current address. Okay, so for that, what will we do, previous is equals to current. Okay, now current is coming. So this will be our main part. This is making chain. We have made our chain. Okay, and here we are assigning, and last will be to go to next iteration. For next iteration, what will we do, we'll assign current is equals to temp, so that it will move to next iteration. My n is not working. Next iteration. Okay, and okay, so likewise this, Now what will happen, this this iteration from starts with here, 2 will point to 1, 3 will point to 2, 4 will point to 3, 5 will point to 4, 1 will point to null, and we have to return this 5. So what we can see in this chain, always current is coming in, current is pointing toward next. So what is the main part? Previous. So our chain will start with previous because we are reversing it na. So we'll return previous. Okay, so let's hope it run. If everything is right, oh not right. Return this. Okay, so it is making chain. So we can see that it's working, and I solved this in previous 3 years also. I hope I have made you understand. So basically, what we'll do, I'll make it again. It if you have gone through this code, you can see it, and I am explaining it again. Okay, so what I am doing is basically first save the address of the next pointer. Okay, save this 1000. Okay, current pointer is 1000, next pointer is 1004. Okay, उसके बाद next we'll make chain. Okay, so what will we do, we'll we'll make chain. So what we'll do, we assign this 1000 value na, 1000 pointer. Okay, so it will point to null instead of 1, it will point to 1. Okay, and by null we have assigned prior to null initially. Okay, so after this, what will we do? Assign prev current address. So what will we do? So initially our prev is null na, so we'll provide it current address. So we'll provide null to be 1000, prev to be 1000. Here what we are doing initially, prev is equals to prev address is equals to head address. Okay, okay. So and next will be move to the next iteration. Next iteration is important so that we can go, we can after doing 2 to 1 na, so after doing 2 to 1, we'll go 3 to 2. Okay, so it is, this is why it is important. So for next iteration we are doing this because we have saved the address of second. Okay, so this is how my code is there. I hope you have understood it clearly, and do share, like, subscribe, and gives a big thumbs up. My target for this video is only 5 likes, so please make it to 5. Thanks.